What up, guys? I'm here at my son-in-law's. We had to drop the baby's car seat off, but he doesn't know I'm getting this clip. I want to get his truck on the channel here soon, and we will when it gets warmed up. But I just want to give you guys a little sneak peek and a preview. He's got mud all over. He's been driving it and stuff, so like it's dirty. So don't pay any attention to that. Believe me, it's still a nice truck. But there's the Blazer right there in the background. You guys can see that. But I'm gonna get you flipped around and get this clip before he catches me, because I don't want him to know until I air this clip. There it is, guys. I don't even know what year this truck is, but I know it's a Chevy right there, because it's got that beautiful ass bow tie. That's why. But look at this. I know he's got a lift, and I know he's got some spacers. I thought my tire stuck out wide. Jesus, like, you can stand up on this. Look at this. He's got the A-arms and everything down in there. I know that's done up right. He's got the step. It's a Silverado. Giant mirror. Everything's huge. He's got 4 doors on this truck. Let's see if I can step back and get a better view. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. And these rims, I don't know what color they are. They're like a bronze or something. They're painted, but they look really nice. And he'll be able to tell you guys all about this truck a lot more. But that's just a little sneak peek of what to stay tuned in for, guys. This truck's coming. So we'll do this truck, and then maybe we'll have a vote on what truck you like better, the Dodge or the Chevy. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here before I get busted getting this clip. What up, Travelers? We are here at John's Auto Spa in Nappanee.
Again on this one?
What's that?
We're doing the high mileage again on this
one?
All right, and are you taking it through the wash there? Do you want a rain check?
I'll get a rain check for it.
Absolutely. Basic is offered complimentary. Your other 3 premium washes are listed at a $3 discount.
Okay. I'll just get whatever goes with it.
Right, absolutely. Basically. And then how are the wipers performing?
Oh, yeah, they're still good. Do you have one for the back by chance? I don't know. That's a hard one to find. I don't know if you guys have it. But we're here at John's Auto Spa in Nappanee. We're getting oil change, getting it done up, make sure it's still running good, all that stuff. So that's what we're doing here, guys.
It looks like a good blade. I mean, it's still real soft. I mean, the rubber's not dry rot.
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. It hasn't been changed in a while.
To be honest, honestly, I mean that one I wouldn't even change, because number one, those are pretty expensive to replace those. But yours is still in good shape. I mean, unless you see like dry rot or warping on it or anything like that. I mean, and it's still real soft. So I mean, that's still.
Yeah, it seems okay. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll leave it there.
I definitely wouldn't worry about that one just yet.
All right, sounds good.
In the future, if you ever need to, we can replace those. But I mean, honestly, I would hate to replace that for you, because I mean that looks like a good blade.
Right.
I feel good about changing that.
Right. There's nothing wrong with it. Right on. Thank you. See, man, these guys are good. They do it all right. They're good guys. I like coming out here every time. They always take care of me.
The transmission service, are we doing that, or are you still holding off on that?
Oh, no, I'll hold off on that.
Right, absolutely. I'll put another reminder on there.
Okay. Do not flush your transmission unless it needs it. I don't care what they say. If you do that, you're going to have problems in an older vehicle, and I'm telling you. Don't flush your transmission unless you have to. I'm not even a mechanic, and I know that for real. Nope.
Did you still want 45 pounds in your tires? You want to change that?
Yeah, these are different wheels.
I can look and see what they call for.
They're 49 max, but I don't really want to put the max in them because they're made for like a lot bigger truck. It weighs a lot more.
Yeah.
This thing, it doesn't really need that. So like, yeah, that's where I keep them. About 40, like 44 at the max really, and that's like, that'd be hard for a minute, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. But as the air fluctuate on those low pros, like this morning it's cold, so I woke up and they're kind of low. And when the sun comes out, if you're sitting in the sun, they'll go up like 5 psi. Yeah. So you just have to keep an eye on them. But you guys really don't have to mess with them. Like I always keep an eye on it.
Without starting it, can I get the current mileage, please?
Oh yeah. There's our message. Let's see if I can get on here. There's our message to Amos at Blackout Tent. That is coming next Saturday. We're going out, we're getting the front windows done. We're gonna get the sun strip redone. So that's what we're looking at there with Amos. It's a good deal. Next Saturday, 10 a.m., 90 bucks. I can't beat that. It's gonna do my sun strip and my fronts, and I ain't gotta touch it, and he does good work. 90 bucks is a good deal. All right.
You like on like a video blog or something like that?
Yeah, YouTube channel.
Gotcha. So I thought I saw you out on like kind of road like at church on 11 and.
Oh yeah, I stopped out there one day. Sometimes I go out there and like I'll turn around there.
Gotcha. It's like pretty easy to spot your car. You're the only one with rims this size in Nappanee.
If you check out YouTube, it's Trap My Ride.
Gotcha.
But I have all the videos of how I got the wheels on, everything. Miracle Motorworks in Elkhart, they told me I need to lift the truck like 4 inches to get them on.
Oh, I got
it. Glenn's Tire, I rolled these wheels like just into their shop so they could, check them out, make sure they're balanced. And they were like, there's no way they'll go on that truck. Me and my buddy, we got them on here, and they ride good. I mean,
they don't rub when you turn or anything.
They
like
did,
that?
but I had to cut everything. But all those videos, they're on the YouTube channel. It's cool to check out. But all the lighting and everything.
And what'd you say, the
Trap My Ride?
Trap My Ride.
Yep.
I'll definitely check it out.
All right, cool. See, there you go, guys. Real distinctive truck. Everybody knows. There you go. Real good. So make sure you come check out John's Auto Spot if you need anything in Nappanee. These guys are going to take care of you. And they're going to check out the channel too, so looking forward to that, and they'll be on here. Oh yeah, Amos, Blackout Tinting. I had his message there, and let's see. Oh damn it. 10 a.m. next Saturday morning, 90 bucks. I'm gonna be there, and if you need it, you be there too. So that'll be to come, guys. That'll be something to check out. Man, I need to get some cards made for the channel, so I can just say, here you go, here's a card, put a QR scanner or something on it, take them right to the Facebook page, so you just scan the back of the card with a QR code, and it's black, brings you right to the Facebook page, and, or the YouTube. I don't know if there's QR codes for YouTube or not, but it'd be a good idea. And I just put both of them on the back of the card. Let's check out Trap My Ride on Facebook. Bam, there we are, guys. There we are, Trap My Ride. let's check out our friends on Nappanee Takeover. That's what I like to do. Bam, there it is. Nappanee Takeover. Make sure you get on Facebook. Get on there. Check these guys out. Oh, I hit something. Must have hit post. I'm not going to post yet. I'm going to read. There we go. Bam. There we are, guys. Nappanee Takeover. Probably looks backwards in the damn camera. But make sure you get on there and check them out, because that's what I'm about to do. Brent Mishler post, who does vinyl wraps. If you guys know anybody in our area that does vinyl wraps, get in the comments, let us know, give us some contact information, and if so, I'll get back with Brent here and I'll let him know that, hey, our friends from Try My Ride know somebody, and we'll send them their way. Ben Fisher Memorial Meet. We hit the interested button on that. We'll get some information on that later.
We are ready for you to start the engine now.
Alright.
Can we also see the headlights and the hazards, please?
Alright. There's the hazards.
And the high beams. Oh, you're back. I see the lights. Go ahead and put it in reverse, but keep the foot on the brake. Thank you. Put that back into park.
Alright. Bam, there we are.
$55.21 after tax today.
There you go.
On park.
How is the air filter? It's still good?
The air filter actually didn't pull today. Looks like we did that on your first visit here. Those ones are good for 50,000 miles between inspections. So, I mean, unless you ever want to see it, we wait till the manufacturer recommended 50,000 miles before we pull it again.
All right, cool. That's good to go. Oh, Nate. Look at that. I'm pretty sure it's a catalytic converter bypass. My buddy Nate and his Charger, we gotta get him on the channel too. Thing's sick. He'll be around, guys, I'm telling you. Bam, there's one of our posts right there of one of our projects. Oh, let's see. Right there, there's one of our posts. For real, that's us right there, that's our project. Man, Brent's got a nice Mustang. Saline is what it looks like. I seen this car the other day. I didn't realize that was him. Thing is sick. We need to get him on the channel.
And there's your card.
All right.
Just run you over everything we did today. When you came in today, the oil level was registering a little low. I mean, it wasn't registering on the dipstick. Your dipstick doesn't have any extra space in the bottom, so it only shows one quart of information on there. So, I mean, all I know is, I mean, it has to be at least a quart low, but it wasn't registering on there. He did note a couple minor leaks in the transmission and engine, but he didn't say they were dripping or any reason to be concerned about either one. Did put the recommendation for the transmission service on there. I mean, we've noted that in the past. It's just beyond on your Carfax the 50,000 miles that GM recommends, so that's why that's on there. Your drain plug is always set to the manufacturer recommended torque. Steve, will you give me a basic wash and put it on this? All right. Like I said, I didn't have to pull the engine air filter, and we didn't do anything with your tires this round. He's getting your wash ticket for you. We'll staple that to your invoice. Just need a couple signatures, please.
Awesome, man. Yeah, I drove past and I was like, man, they're open. So I don't really know you guys are open. So
I gotcha.
I'm just like, damn, they're open, and I know I need an oil change. And I was like, man, I drove that way, and then I came back, and I was like, yeah, I'm doing that this morning.
Do you know how to reset the oil light on this so it doesn't tell you to change the oil?
What is it? I pump the brakes or something?
It'll be basically go 2 clicks forward with your key. Just don't start the ignition. Now pump your gas all the way to the floor 3 times. It's flashing right now on the maintenance while. Once that stops, you can go ahead and turn the ignition off. Once you start it, it should be reset.
Awesome.
Wash ticket is good till the 28th, but if you want to use it right now, you're more than welcome. We always give 14 days to use that.
Cool.
All right, man. You have a great
All right, thanks. Thank you, guys. Man, it's getting warm. The warm weather's coming. I can't wait. You guys have a good day. Thank you.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.